how to get a free domain for your Wix website in 2025. Step-by-step guide. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to get a free domain for your Wix website in 2025. Let's get started. First, go to wix.com and click on Sign Up or Get Started. You'll be asked to enter your email. Enter it once, then re-enter to confirm. This helps ensure that your email is correct so you don't run into any issues later. Next, enter a password and make sure you re-enter it again to confirm. This helps your account secure and prevents any typo-related problems that could lock you out of your account. After that, Wix will ask you a few questions. These are important because Wix uses your answers to tailor the platform to your needs and make it easier for you to build your website. It's a quick process, so don't worry. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be able to choose a free domain. Keep in mind this will be a Wix branded domain, for example, yourname.wixsite.com, and it's free for the first year. After that, you'll need to renew it if you want to keep it active. To get started with building your website, just click on Design Your Site. You'll be all set to begin customizing your website with Wix's easy to use design tools. And that's it. By simply signing up for a Wix account, you now have a free domain for your website. If this value helped you, please like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful tutorials.